If you use Microsoft Word documents alongside your Obsidian notes, you may be wondering how to connect them together for easier access and organization. The good news is that Obsidian allows you to link to Word documents so you can quickly open them directly from your notes whenever you need them. This can be extremely useful for students, researchers, writers, project managers, business users, and anyone who works with both Markdown notes and traditional Word files. Instead of searching through folders every time you need a document, you can keep everything connected inside your Obsidian vault. In this video, I'll show you how to link Word documents in Obsidian in 2026, step by step, even if you are completely new to the application. First, open Obsidian and load the vault where you want to create the document link. Before adding links, decide where your Word files will be stored. Many users keep important documents directly inside their Obsidian vault, while others prefer storing them in separate folders elsewhere on their computer. Both approaches can work depending on your workflow. If you want the simplest setup, place the Word document inside your vault folder. You can do this by copying or moving the docx file into an existing folder within the vault. Once the file is inside the vault, Obsidian can easily reference it. After adding the document, return to Obsidian and open the note where you want the link to appear. Position your cursor where you would like the document reference to be displayed. Now create an internal file link using Obsidian's linking system. Start typing double brackets and search for the name of the Word document. If the file is stored inside the vault, Obsidian should detect it and allow you to select it from the suggestions list. Once selected, the document name will appear as a clickable link inside your note. Clicking the link will typically open the Word document using the default application associated with docx files on your computer. Another option is using drag and drop. Simply drag the Word document from your File Explorer directly into an Obsidian note. Obsidian will automatically generate a link to the file, saving you from manually creating the reference. If your Word document is stored outside the vault, you can create an external file link instead. Copy the file path of the document and use an appropriate external link format supported by your operating system. This allows Obsidian to open files located elsewhere on your computer when the link is clicked. For larger projects, consider creating a dedicated Documents folder within your vault. Keeping Word files organized in one location makes them easier to manage and reduces the risk of broken links later. You can also combine document links with notes that explain the purpose of each file. For example, a research note might contain references to multiple Word documents, project reports, meeting summaries, or drafts. This creates a central hub that makes information easier to locate. If you frequently update Word documents, remember that the link itself usually remains unchanged as long as the file name and location stay the same. Renaming or moving a document outside of Obsidian may cause the link to stop working, so it is a good idea to keep file organization consistent. You should also maintain regular backups of important documents and vault data. While linking files is convenient, having backup copies helps protect against accidental deletion or file corruption. So, that's how to link Word documents in Obsidian in 2026. The main steps are storing the document in an accessible location, creating a link using Obsidian's linking tools or drag and drop functionality, organizing files effectively, and testing the link to ensure it opens correctly. Once set up, linking Word documents can make your notes far more connected and efficient. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Obsidian tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.